Yeah, I'll be showing you today how to code on your Android phone and use your Android phone as a view what you you don't really need a sophisticated computer or whatever. You can do it right with your Android phone. Now you can edit and learn coding programming on your Android phone. Well, let me just go straight to the point. Now there's this app I use. One is an app called Coda. This is it. It's a nice app. When you download it, you get it. Don't worry, I'll put the download link at the description. Then I use this daily update server. This is it here. This one. I use it for as a server stuff. You know what server does? Yeah. So I use it for it's for PHP, and you can also view HTML, CSS, whatever. So let's just dive in straight now. Let's open Coda. Yeah, Coda is opening. Oh, yeah, Coda is open. See, this was what I was writing for. So let me show you the PHP first. So this is the PHP, the opening tag, closing tag, sorry, opening tag, closing tag, and the echo. So I saved it as index.php because you know server opens the home page is automatically a file that is named index.php. So that was how I saved it. So and I saved this is how you save. I saved it. Okay, let me save it for again. This is how you save as, click save as, then it will open your storage. Then you can choose where you want to save it. Okay, now let me save it at let me save it in let me just create a new folder. To create a new folder, I click this, then let me type it okay, my editing my editing yeah, my editing. Yep. So you see, I've saved it in a folder called my editing, which is which I saved the index.php file. So now this is it. No, okay, this is my SD card. Let me open my okay, this is my device storage, and here's the file, my editing. Yeah, it's okay. Since the PHP file is saved, well, I'll just have to like copy it. Copy. When you want to do, you just open a new folder and save it in that folder. So don't get perplexed with what I'm doing right. So I've saved it in my editing. So let's go ahead and open Coda. Yeah, so this Coda, you see, we've saved it. Now we can view it. One thing with Coda has an inbuilt viewer. Okay, no, Coda has an inbuilt viewer. I'll show you that when we are editing HTML file. Coda can view PHP files. You use your inbuilt browser with the assistance of this web server called update server. So let me open daily update server and switch it on. But first and foremost, let me switch it off. First and foremost, before you use daily update server, go and configure daily update server so that it will know the folder you are working on. So we'll click on this button here, settings, light configuration. This is it. Click on it. Then you now select the folder, the web root. So Now let's select the web route. It's opening. Okay, up. Then we save it. Okay, my editing. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is it, my editing. Confirm. So this web server have just known our web routes to be my editing. So when we open when we switch on this server and we open our inbuilt browser, it will automatically open the file which is called index. Of course, you should know that index is the file that gets opened first in the folder. It serves as the home page. So now we just switch on our web server. You see, it also supports our base. Well, that's from that time. Well, let's switch on our server. I've switched on the server now. Now just go ahead and open your internet, your inbuilt browser. This is it. See, it has showed. That's what we wrote. How are you? The IP where you're editing on the phone is 127.0.0.1:80. So that's it. So this is what we wrote on that PHP file encoder. Let's go ahead. Let me just go ahead and edit so that you also see what I'm talking about. Coda. Please do not be offended by my slow, because of my screen recording app. So that's why it's in this kind of slow, but it's not slow at all. My phone is very fast. Let me open it. Okay, yeah, okay. Now let me just add the code so you see what I'm talking about. How are you? Then let me write, I am fine, thank you. Okay, wait. How are you? Then you see we can put HTML codes in it. Break. I am fine. I am fine. Save it. We'll save it first. Just save. You have already saved the first time, so the second time we are saving, it just automatically saves. Okay, now let's open our inbuilt browser. Minimize button, then internet, then we reload. Okay, whenever it shows web page not available, it means the server went off. Bit server don't goes off. It's because I'm using my screen recorder. There's enough load on my phone, so that's why I think that kind of went off. So just go ahead and switch it on. Okay, just go ahead and switch it on. Yeah, switch on now. So I open the inbuilt browser again. So just reload. See, how are you? Wait, it didn't show I am fine. Well, let's go ahead and check the code we wrote well to make sure it is okay, because it didn't show there. You know what I'm talking about. Coda doesn't do like this just because of my screen recording app. I said that before. Give it. How are you? I am fine. Yeah, let's see it. How are you? I am fine. Yeah, the code is okay, so let's go ahead and open it. Our inbuilt browser. Server went off again. Server don't usually go off, and it's just my screen record the app. Don't worry, when you download the app, you see how useful it is and how sweet it is. So let's switch it off. Let's switch it on. Yeah, it has been switched on. So let's open. See, how are you? That's what they wrote. So why is it still writing that? Why is it not writing the I am fine? Well, you can just edit yours to write, but I'll show you how to go around PHP. Let me know which time. So you see, that's how you can put in your PHP code. You can go ahead, write. If it's HTML file you're editing, just go ahead, write HTML, your HTML file. Then when you want to save it, you save it with the extension HTML. So that's how you go ahead writing your code, saying practice your programming on your phone with the help of the servers I showed you. Daily Bits, with the help of the apps I show you. This is it. Daily update for serving. Then Coda for editing. Later I'll be doing a tutorial on how to use Coda and daily update server. So that's it, and thank you for